Yo, what is going on, guys? It is Michael Shear, second favorite Turo host, and I've been getting this question asked a lot lately, and the question is, where do I go get a loan at? And I always give the exact same answer every single time, and that answer is your local credit union. Every time. Typically, the banks that you're going to go to, the big banks, Chase, Bank of America, although a lot of people share the play for Bank of America, your best bet is going to be your local credit union. And let me tell you why. Going to your local credit union, you're going to get a better rate. You're just going to get a better prime rate. Typically, these lenders are going to be the ones that are actually in the area that you're in. They're in your zip code. They know the numbers behind the salaries and the locations and the zip codes and all that good stuff. And so their lending rate's going to be, their lending criteria is actually going to be based around the local area that they're in. So whenever you see these basis point numbers, so let's say it's a 5.49 or a 6.72, 7.55, whatever it may be, those numbers are based on like very general numbers. But when you see it at a local credit union that's near you, they're actually basing that off of your geographical area and the people that live in your area. So typically, if you actually go there and you apply and you get approved, you're most likely going to get that rate and not some other random number that this bigger bank comes up to, or this financial institution comes up with. See, we even make errors on the YouTube. But absolutely, the most important thing that you can do is go and apply. Hey, there's even some local credit unions that will give you a pre-approval ahead of doing the hard inquiries. Yo, look for it. Go out there and look for it. Maybe I'll even post one like right here or something. But yes, there are ways to get around those hard inquiries that are just going to wreck your credit score ahead of you even getting in and knowing if you're going to be approved or not. So definitely go and check and see if there's something like that in your local area. Go and find for me, St. Louis Community Credit Union. Actually, don't go to that one. That one's a little bit high right now. They're like the 8s. Probably not worth it at this moment. But other ones, Scott Credit Union, if you're in the St. Louis area, even online, going to PenFed Credit Union, the USAA, if you can get into that, the Navy Federal Credit Union. A lot of people love that play. Honestly, from my understanding, it's a great bank. Check it out if you have access to such things. But guys, if you're trying to look for a new loan, for a car loan, you're trying to get on Turo, the only way you can really do Turo, and especially when you get a new car, is if you are getting the best interest rate. If you're not getting the best interest rate, you're essentially, it doesn't even really matter what the purchase price is. If you're up in the 9s, 10% interest rate, it's not going to do it for you. I promise you will go bankrupt. You will lose your business very, very quickly going those routes just because you're excited about to get a new car. Make sure you get the rates. Make sure you get the purchase price too, but the rates, just as important. Guys, if this helped you out in any way, please hit that like, hit that subscribe button, come back next time, check me out, hit that notification bell.